Hey, my name is Aaron with Ready Sellers. I'm going to show you how you can combine your eBay listings that you already have into one kit or a bundle listing. So here we have 3 different items that I want to include as a bundle in this listing. But whenever one of these items sell, or if the bundle sells, 3D sellers will then automatically update the inventories between all of the items. So to create the inventory sync for your bundle, copy the SKU of the bundle listing, and then go to Inventory Management, SKU, Bundles and Kits. And on this page, click Create Bundle, Add Manually, and select the stores that the SKUs are located on. If they're located on multiple eBay stores, you can sync the items and the inventories between all of those stores. Now we'll paste the bundle listings SKU and press Add SKU. We will add the individual items SKUs. So for the individual listings, we first need to choose how many of each of the listings are going to be included in the bundle item. So in this particular bundle, the second item gets included twice. So each time that the bundle sells, it will also sell 2 of this second item. And the bundle only includes 1 of the other items. Now the warehouse value is the actual value you have in stock, where the quantity is the quantity that you want displayed on eBay. So let's say that you have maybe 500 or so of one of these listings. Well, you don't want eBay to know that, and you also don't want your buyers to know that. So you can set a lower quantity down below. This is also how you get the almost gone in a search result, while obviously you know that the seller probably has a lot more than just two of these left. After every sale, your quantity here will be restocked from the warehouse value. And then you can also choose a custom quantity on eBay for the bundle listing. So let's put 3. So it seems like we are almost out of stock. And this warehouse value is a calculation between these quantities and the quantities that are included in the bundle. So with this combination, you can only sell 142 of these particular bundles. So we'll save this, and then the system will automatically find the matching images for the SKUs to verify that the items have been linked. You can enable or disable the sync status here. If this is on, then your inventories will be automatically managed by the bundles and kits feature. You can delete it here and make any adjustments that you need. I hope this information was helpful, and let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.